Today I'm going to show you how to change the ink cartridge on a Canon Pixma MG3650 printer. This one right here. So first things first, we need to make sure that the printer is on, because if we don't, you won't be able to replace the cartridge properly. So my printer's on already. Okay. Drop this flap. Drop this flap here. And there you can see that those are the two color and black and white ink cartridges. So as you can see here, the one on the left is the color, the one on the right is the black. So simply all we're going to do now is drop that lever and pull out the existing ink cartridge, just like that. So there's my color ink cartridge. It's empty. It's a genuine Canon CL-541. If you're looking for any ink cartridges, these are the ones that you need to buy. So the black and white ones is a PG-540 and the color cartridge is a 541. Just there like that. You can find these on Currys, on eBay, Amazon, anywhere. There goes the old one. And the new one I've opened here already. This is a refilled ink cartridge. This isn't a genuine Canon one this time. I've gone for a budget option. I'm just going to slide that in. And just slide it in where it came out of. And lift the lever back up. And that's it. Just clips back into place. Hopefully you should be good to go. I'm just going to close this flap, turn the printer off, and then turn it back on. And that's it, we're good to go.